How to enable VoLTE. In this video, I'll show you how to enable VoLTE on your Android phone. VoLTE, or Voice over LTE, lets you make clearer voice calls while staying connected to the 4G LTE network. Start by opening the Settings app. Then tap Network and Internet, Connections, or SIM card and mobile network, depending on your device. Next, select your SIM card if you're using dual SIM. Then look for the VoLTE, 4G calling, or Enhanced 4G LTE option, depending on your phone model. Turn on the VoLTE toggle. If you don't see the option, make sure your carrier supports VoLTE and that your SIM card and mobile plan are compatible. That's it. You've successfully enabled VoLTE on your Android phone. You can now enjoy higher quality voice calls over the LTE network. If you found this video informative, click on like, share, and subscribe for more videos.